Welcome to Bird of Paradise, where nature meets luxury. Tucked away amidst lush greenery, this 10-acre masterpiece redefines tranquil living. Spread across 10 acres with just 191 premium plots, this is a low-density community designed for privacy and peace of mind. Located in the fast-growing corridor of North Bangalore, Bird of Paradise offers unmatched connectivity while being away from the city chaos. Imagine waking up to birdsong, landscaped gardens, and fresh air every single day. With plans for lifestyle amenities and a serene environment, this is your chance to build not just a house, but a home grounded in nature. Come, be part of the Bird of Paradise. Invest in peace. Invest in growth.